And I have to say that most of these pictures that I'm seeing for the first time, because we were in bed by the time everything started coming out, so it is heartbreaking, and many thoughts and prayers go out to the people of Joplin.
We'd love to get to see you guys, and you can get food right now, Krispy Kreme donuts, if you come by and give a donation to Convoy of Hope.
People are trapped in their homes. They literally cannot get out.
It is going to be dangerous today, and I think we need to realize that there are a lot of low water crossings and not even low water crossings. Some with bridges that the water's now coming up and over.
The first family to receive a home today will be the Howard family. We introduced you to them 1 week ago, and this morning we're going to take a look back at their story.
This is the news story of the morning. We have a flash flood warning in effect for the areas in the red. Now, most of those are set to expire at 7 a.m., so in 2 hours. I don't know if I buy that. It doesn't matter if they expire. We're talking about aerial flooding. We're talking about river flooding and flash flooding. It's very dangerous out there. We've already had one fatality over the weekend. We don't need any more. And I'm Natalie Nunn. We're glad that you're with us this Thursday morning.
Frigid is probably, I don't know if it can be an understatement. It might be.
Well, I looked up frigid in the thesaurus this morning because I thought I was using it a little much. So I came up with a few other words.
Okay.
Bitter.
Bitter cold. I would go with bitter cold.
Bone chilling.
Yeah, I like that one too.
So there's a few that I may throw out there today, but it is that cold. Let's not get too scared. We'll make it through. We have before. Let's go ahead and take a look at our Storm Vision HD Doppler radar right now. You may notice those little lightning bolts showing up. What in the world is that? That would be thunder snow. Yes, that's a term. I'm not making it up. It's just like a thunderstorm, but instead of seeing rain, you're actually seeing extremely heavy snowfall rates. At this point, I do believe it's sleet rates. Right along I-44, north of that, you're seeing the blue, and then that's stretching down into Monette and Cassville. Most people right now are still seeing the sleet. We just peeked our head out and you saw the video in Springfield. Sleet in the Springfield metro area. This will change over by daybreak. We are expecting a couple inches of sleet in places like Mount Vernon, already reporting 2 inches of sleet on the ground. So at least it's not freezing rain. That's the good thing. We'd rather have sleet than the freezing rain.
Now, KSPR weather.
Welcome back, everyone. 5:12 on a Thursday morning. Now, temperatures across our area, a few places, it's, cool. It's on the cool side. I think Springfield's one of them. 60 degrees right now in Springfield. Bolivar at 61, 62 in Osceola. And it is just a little bit warmer for places like Branson, 68 degrees, and Harrison at about 66 degrees. Now, currently on our satellite and radar, nothing. Very clear conditions across the area. I came in, I saw the moon picture perfect. We don't have many weather worries for the next couple of hours. It's really going to be a pretty nice day. Temperature-wise, a lot like yesterday, which I loved. Not nearly as windy, which is good, and the humidity is going to remain fairly low. As we move throughout the region on satellite and radar, very clear out to the west. We still have some cloud coverage from that area of low pressure that's to the northeast now, staying really out of Missouri. Here's what we have. This is kind of the setup. Warm front's going to eventually lift through our area, and it's going to bring the warm temperatures back. But for the next day or so, it's going to become stationary. It's really just going to sit into northern Arkansas. And there is a chance that some storms could ride that line into northern Arkansas. You can see at 4 a.m. some rain spreading through the area. And then as we head into Friday morning, some leftover showers, maybe a little bit of redevelopment Friday afternoon, and then into Saturday we could see some rain as well. So the rain chances over the next couple of days are going to be probably 30 to 40 to 50%, depending on what time of day. Better chance late at night into the early morning hours is when we'll see most of the rainfall. Here's what Futurecast shows us. Dry conditions for today. I want you to notice in northern Arkansas overnight about 4 a.m. There's the storms popping up. This model really downplays it compared to the others, but some of these storms could be severe as they move through. We do have that threat. Friday, mostly dry, maybe a few showers popping up in the afternoon hours, and then overnight it's not really showing it, but I do think we'll have another system move in Saturday morning. Here's what we have. The Storm Prediction Center for today, for this Thursday, has issued a slight risk of severe weather for extreme southwest Missouri and northern Arkansas. This will be later in the day into the overnight time period. For tomorrow, we will see the same risk, slight risk for both of these days. Today and tomorrow, large hail and strong winds will be our greatest threat. The tornado threat does look very low. For today, 84 degrees. It'll be mostly sunny, a really beautiful afternoon. No weather worries or complaints with that. For tonight, if we get some rain, it'll be much needed rain, 63 degrees, temperatures near average. And for that 7-day forecast, 87 on Friday, chance of rain on Saturday. a slight chance of rain on Sunday, and then temperatures back into the 90s, so enjoy the next 2 days. You know, it doesn't look real good. It's going to dry out. Hopefully, we could squeeze out a couple of inches of rain for the next couple of days, and that is a possibility across the area.
Oh, that would be good.
Yeah.
Just kind of green things back up again and get us closer. I mean,
Yeah.
I know we're, what, you said yesterday, like 3 inches behind
Over 3 inches.
for the month only. So
For the month of June. So we still got some time to make it up.